Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing rational expressions to lowest terms in this video. We will be focusing on the expression 3x squared plus 9x divided by 3x. Let's dive into the steps on how to simplify this expression and reduce it to its lowest terms. To begin solving the problem of reducing the rational expression to its lowest terms for 3x squared plus 9x divided by 3x, the first step is to factor the numerator. The numerator is 3x squared plus 9x. We need to identify the common factors in the numerator. In this case, both terms include the factor 3 and the variable x. We can factor out 3x from both terms in the numerator. So, 3x squared becomes 3x times x, and 9x becomes 3x times 3. Thus, when we factor out the common term 3x, the numerator becomes 3x times the quantity x plus 3. Now the expression looks like this: 3x times the quantity x plus 3 divided by 3x. In this step, the rational expression has been altered by recognizing and factoring out the greatest common factor from the numerator. This factorization shows the common terms, simplifying the process for the next step. Now let's move on to step 2 of solving the problem of reducing the rational expression 3x squared plus 9x divided by 3x to its lowest terms. Having factored the numerator, our expression now looks like this: 3x times the quantity x plus 3 divided by 3x. In step 2, we need to recognize that we have a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator, which is 3x. To simplify the expression, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by this common factor, 3x. When we divide 3x times the quantity x plus 3 by 3x, the 3x terms in the numerator and the denominator cancel out. This leaves us with the simplified expression, which is x plus 3. At this point, there are no more common factors to cancel out, and the expression has been reduced to its lowest terms. Therefore, the final simplified form of the rational expression 3x squared plus 9x divided by 3x is x plus 3.